So the committee has finally submitted 450 pages long report regarding the Sambhal, right? I have been joined by Samajwadi Party spokesperson Juhi Singh. Juhi ji, please let us know about the version of Samajwadi Party about this particular report being submitted to the Mukhyamantri, to the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh.
Violent riots took place in Sambhal. People were killed. The administration completely was sleeping. Even the people from the Uttar Pradesh government sitting in Lucknow refused to react. And later on, everything was heaped on the people out there. A survey was being conducted. The government did not take responsibility. And to hide facts and hide evidence, later on, they planted certain evidences, as per my sources, that some things were being gotten from other countries, our neighboring countries, and there were terrorist organizations working here. This all happening under this government's watch is very questionable, and the government is responsible for these riots. I would also like to ask them whether any government servant who was in charge at that time has been held responsible for the violence and for the deaths which took place.
The report also questions the remark being made by SPMP Burke right there, and now the BJP is taking on a party about that particular statement, which also sparked that particular riot, as per the report we are getting from the sources.
The government is not responsible, it seems. A remark is responsible for the riots, so the government should be dismissed or resigned. If they can't take control of, they cannot maintain law and order, they cannot even conduct intelligence properly. How did these people who were responsible for the riots get into Sambhal? How were these arms smuggled into Sambhal, which were laterally put on your public platform also? How Sambhal narcotics have also been mentioned, drugs have been mentioned. How is this smuggling of narcotics happening with the central government being in rule for almost 15 years, and this is the second term of Yogi Adityanath? So I would request the Chief Minister be responsible to not incite violence and hatred amongst communities, punish the people who are responsible, and also hold your administration accountable. I mean, there is no administration, it seems.
Final question to you. It also talks about the terror of organizations active in Sambhal during that point of time, and even presently, the report clearly says that. What's your take on that particular issue?
And the Prime Minister and the Home Minister says that all terror organizations fled after demonetization. That's what we all suffered the pain for. How did these terrorist organizations come there? What is the action which has been taken by the Yogi government? Even after violence, what have they done regarding this to bring about peace in that area? This is the responsibility of the government, and the government is going to be held responsible. When this report is going to come in Vidhan Sabha, we are going to question each and every point.
Thank you so much for the time. You were listening to Juhi Singh, Samajwadi Party spokesperson, clearly questioning government's action during that part of time when riot happened, because it's Yogi Adityanath government which is in power for more than 8 years. That's what Juhi Singh has to say about this particular issue. With cameraman Sanjay, Samarth Srivastava for India Today.